shit, I'm gonna get run over. All right, so we just got back to Kowloon from a big day in Disneyland. It's about 9 p.m. and we're starving, right? We're starving. So I'm gonna fulfill my duty for everybody of trying every McDonald's that I visit, whichever country I go to pretty much. Sorry, I'm losing my words. Visit every McDonald's I can visit in every country, try at least once. And we're in Hong Kong. And so I'm gonna try. Sorry, it's a bit crazy out here. But yeah, I'm literally that bitch. And I'm going to try it. It should just be up here. Oh, there, I see it. The golden arches. There she is. Oh! Is it even legit? Doesn't look legit, but whatever. Okay, so we're gonna order using the ordering machines. Okay, so I think we're gonna go with the pastel. Yeah, and then we go with the original fries. And we go with the honey mustard seasoning and the Oh, I just ordered my food and I had these two Filipino ladies standing behind me and they were being so obnoxious and I was taking my time ordering my food and they were getting so annoyed. But you know what? I don't care. You chose to stand behind me, you can wait. Hey? Anyway, I'm really keen to try this food. I ordered a couple of special items that you can only get in Hong Kong. So, I'm down. Thank you so much. Secured the goods. Table now. Gotta find a table. I'm gonna eat here. I don't like putting everything on a tray and then you drop everything. It's like so embarrassing. All right, let's do this. So I got some like melon yogurt fruit drink thing. I got some shaker fries and I got the honey barbecue seasoning. Oh shit, I'm gonna drop everything. I don't know, but I went large, so might as well go large or go home, right? And I got the McCrispy. McCrispy with, I'll show you the McCrispy. Oofed. Look at that looks so good. I didn't realize I got a chicken burger for breakfast. I ended up also getting the third pie. Yuzu Custard pie, which I'm really excited about because I love yuzu. Okay, I'm gonna shake these fries. I don't know about y'all, but I love shaker fries. My best friend and I loved shaker fries growing up, and I remember she would buy like $50 worth of shaker fries seasoning, and she would keep it in her wardrobe and would have it at her house all the time. Shout out to my bestie. Hi, Christine. Let's get this honey barbecue seasoning in there. Oh shit, I made a fucking mess. Anyways, that's that. Sorry, I just made a full mess of myself. Can't take me anywhere. Okay, chips are ready. Alright, we are ready to roll. Of course, you have to get your ketchup. Sorry, tomato sauce. as they would say in Australia. I remember when I first went to Australia, and like when we first moved there, and I was like, can I get some ketchup? And they're like, what? Ketchup? It's actually tomato sauce, which is fair. It's made out of tomatoes. Alright, let's give the fries. This is honey barbecue fries. That's good. Do they have shaker fries in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Yum. Okay, I want to try the burger. Damn. Chicken is crispy and it's cooked, which is good. It's got onions and like a honey mustard sauce, and the bun is like a steamed bun. So good. We'll try the drink. It's like a fruit punch. I don't know what it is, but ooh, that's good. It's like a fizzy honeydew melon bubble tea, but with no bubbles. Like no pearls. That's yum. Good. And they only got. She got the cheeseburger, double cheeseburger. Safe choice. Safe, smart choice. Yeah. Anyways. Look guys, get down to McDonald's in Hong Kong. They're pretty good. Don't worry about the haters that say, you're just in another country, why would you want to have McDonald's? Why won't you have something local? I've had local food for the past 3-4 days. I need me some knackers. Okay? Anyways, that's it for us tonight. Catch us tomorrow when we go to Macau. Bye. I fully forgot to try the dessert for you guys. This is the Yuzu Custard pie. Let's give it a go. Okay. Ooh, hot. That's cool. It's like having a yuzu Yakult because of the cream. Yum. I rate that too. It's got the yuzu and then the cream. Anyway, that's the end of it, finally. See you tomorrow.